A Zambian official has said China's assistance in advancing water supply projects will bridge the deficit of water supply to Lusaka, the Zambian capital, and potentially tackle cholera outbreaks in the city. Chinese ambassador to Zambia Du Xiaohui last month said that Phase 2 of the Kafue bulk water supply project will be implemented to improve water supplies to the capital.
So the announcement of the Kafue bulk Phase 2 is something that is important to us, something that we are happy to hear. So we are very hopeful that this project is going to bridge the gap. So following the launch of the Kafue bulk water supply project in 2021, we have seen significant improvements in terms of water supply. So remember, this project brought additional 50 million liters of water per day into the city of Lusaka. So that's a significant amount of water into the city of Lusaka. Access to clean and safe water is paramount. It's a public health issue. So with the coming in of Kafue bulk Phase 2, we expect that the cases of cholera are going to significantly drop, because people who have access to water, and Lusaka Water will be able to expand its services to areas that are not currently being served.
The Chinese and the water companies just appreciating, because what they've done has really helped us